Hey, what's up? This is Joe with Phantom Professional Services. I just want to do a quick video on just troubleshooting some problems we had. Both our machines on Friday weren't running, so we've gone through, we've checked the spark plugs, we've checked the oil, we've done oil changes just to be sure, and basically we went through and checked the inside here, the fuel pump, we checked the solenoid, the fuel solenoid. Everything seemed to be working. Couldn't quite figure out why aren't we firing. We got some starter fluid. Tried that out. It would run with starter fluid, so we were getting fire. We had power. Everything was working. So I kept guessing, is it fuel? Is it fuel? We ended up changing out the fuel filter, and then attempted to siphon through this hose, but we just couldn't get enough flow yesterday when we were trying. Today somehow I swapped the filter out and then tried, and it started filtering. Siphoning. So I ended up catching some of the fuel, and if you can see here, there's a different color. It's more clear in the bottom. And the first picture I got out of this machine, which I took the bolt out of the bottom of the carburetor, most of this was clear. It was up to here, so with clear. So we had water in our gas, which was bought this week. So it's fresh gas. We never let our stuff sit. But anyways, you always got to check your fuel source. I just wanted to point that out. Just a quick video on just making sure everything's working.